You probably get regular oil changes for your car, and health checkups for yourself. But are you getting adequate maintenance for your HVAC system? HVAC systems, like most other mechanical devices, need regular maintenance to stay safe and efficient. A manufacturer's warranty protects you in the event of premature equipment failure. If something goes wrong during the warranty period, the manufacturer will typically replace a defective part at no charge. Manufacturers do not warranty equipment damages that are the result of physical damage, negligence, or lack of maintenance. In addition to protecting your investment and keeping the warranty valid, a system that's properly maintained will also last longer, run better, maintain capacity, break down less often, and keep your utility bills lower than a poorly maintained system. And maintenance helps keep you safe. One particular hazard of fossil fuel-fired oil or gas heating equipment is that it can produce carbon monoxide if the furnace or boiler isn't working properly. Carbon monoxide is called the silent killer because it's a colorless, odorless gas that can only be detected by special instruments like this combustion analyzer. If you don't have a hole in your flue where this instrument has been inserted like this, your contractor has never performed this check. Preventive maintenance isn't a one-time thing. It should be done at least once each year for both your heating and cooling systems. SG Heating and Air Conditioning LLC has affordable, effective maintenance agreements to make it easy for you to regularly maintain your home systems. With an HVAC maintenance agreement, you will be scheduled for a precision tune-up once or twice a year, depending on your plan. During your precision tune-up, we run through an exhaustive checklist and perform inspections and services that improve your system's performance and efficiency, while identifying problems that can be corrected before they become more serious or cause your equipment to stop working. Your maintenance agreement gives you peace of mind and more. You also get access to discounts on all our services, including plumbing, HVAC, and generators. You also get priority scheduling, and it entitles you to use our 24/7 emergency service if something like this happens. Becoming an SG Heating and Air Conditioning Maintenance Plan customer is easy. To learn more, visit our website, sghac.com, or call 609-448-1273 to speak with one of our team members today.